Chapter 8
Superstar.
Star. I woke up the next morning a little confused. Did I really turn into a monkey the day before? Or was it just a dream? I wasn't sure. But I put shorts on under my legs pants. Just in case it happened again. I stuck my golden monkey in my pocket. I thought it might bring me luck. I put a
Extra.
apple in my lunch bag to give to Miss Brown. I want her to like me, I told Claudia as we walked to school. Then
Behave.
Claudia said. We stopped into the school playground. I will try, I said. The ball rang and the dashed toward the school building. Slow down, cried Claudia yelled. I was hurriedly rushing up two steps. I ran down the hall into my classroom and kabump! Into Miss Plum, cried she. Sorry about that, I said. My teacher helped me. Am I in trouble? I asked. My teacher nodded. I set the apple on her desk. You seem to always have a lot of extra energy, cried Miss Plum said. And you must learn to use it to do something good. Like be a superhero? I grinned. Miss Plum rolled her eyes. Then she pointed to the small bulletin board. I need someone to decorate this board, she said. Someone who likes art. I will do it, I said. I think Miss Brown was trying to keep me busy and stand out of trouble. And it worked. We watched the springtime begun. So design the only morning I cut flowers out of colored paper. I took them to the bulletin board and some grand paper glass and a big yellow sun and a bird in the sky. Class, Miss Plum said when I finished. Let's thank Clyde for his good work. Clap, 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 clap. Then everyone clapped for me. I was a hero. And I bounced. Calm down, Clyde, Claudia said. I feel super, I said. Then my head started spinning. My heart raced faster and faster. I sneezed. Achoo! I jumped up from my chair and ran into the hallway.